za Rwengo rundi district ya Ntungamo kibanchi manisa ngo baza Rwengo rwa quarter final na district eyashema so gona no muzano gw'amani kugira ngo at least Bushenyi babase kuba nibiyayo a point ekikubanchi a point ne yamba district ya Bushenyi even agarike yamba district ya Ntungamo so far Ntungamo bakubi bari more than safe but maybe 2-1 2-1 basinga Bushenyi nkibanchi manyisangu district ya Ntungamo yakirgamo echo kubancha byona Ntungamo yes no butine goal but head to head Bushenyi akakushango wawe yakutera then muizo kumagwa draw goal erukwingana MR yemwe kwanchi manyisangu Shema hamwe na district ya Bushenyi no babaza Rwengo rundi.
Okay, of course, turebo team zombi za kwanda barominga pora kwa sikandi kwa game eji can't we truly expect kugira ngo musigaza baramuka Rogers Mugisha aba team eji ya Shema yasikona tanga kurungi mnonga shot number 14 aba district ya Shema kandi no mushamba wa team eji ya KCCA no mwari yawe mbere team eji akandi ya Shema kwa sikona GC level musigaza baramuka Kakeira na uno maburi abari akanda bikuteka kugira ngo izobere bire kwa teka ukano muzano gamani bakutereza embera enungi twandureba ho district ya Shema batandikana goalkeeper second Andrew bine Kasirie Waswa mu left back Chimera Farouk of course basakana baritaka Msimbe Brian bine Odaka Augustine bino musigazo wakataka Kaire Davis of course hari umuseta back kantaremwa Kranma musigazo wakataka in fact bamweta Rubwama Enric of course nawe asakana tandika byarhanga Edgar Ayesiga Aronda hamwe na Mugisha Rogers abasikana tandika timu eji ya Shema akandi mubazi nkogu nandire bakatebe kabo of course Musimenta Saul asikana tandikira akatebe Makopore Francis na Turinda Davis Musoke Hassan Atujuka Gelad Ayoreka Baron Kamsime Aran basikana tandika kanda akatebe of course akanza kontrolena na coach waba kubembera Nsamba Andrew abana assistant weye Bukenya Kevin aba district kandi ya Shema.
Of course district ya Bushenyi twabona some changes bino mukoro kumaka Hafiz Kasim muzano wa timu ya Express jaze number 18 yatandika ba district ejimpaha ya Bushenyi then tuli amsima Rona do muzano wa Karokaro jaze number 7 then Kawaro Ismo wa Nek FC Ajuka Ediga tuli Singra Mansur Karuhanga Joab Junior then umuzan Charles Bare wa timu ya Police FC then Tarima Edwin Bubu Said Argmaho na Kizto Ryan Figo umuzan wa timu ya Police FC then Ogita mukoro kumaka Kamwesiga Jacob jaze number 20 nukwe batandika aba district ejimpaha ya Bushenyi then kache katebe of course bine mabazana buntaka jirangu bine experience yamano umuzan Aino Mucha Bright of course adi unattached then tumkunde Aran bine umuzani Amotebwa Aran jaze number 30 na sana timu ya Mubze ya Kampala then Mwesugwa Mark jaze number 4 wa Chi Young then Amanya Kenneth jaze number 54 wa Ishaka Brains then Kamara Emmanuel jaze number 25 you know wa 6 o'clock then Agaba Edwin jaze number 17 na weno wa team ya Ishaka Brains coach Bira district ejimpaha ya Bushenyi amenangwa na coach Agaba Corners wa team ya 6 o'clock then team ya St Fagwa otirona district ejimpaha ya Bushenyi omchikopo echa Ankole Cup.
Of course remember anti district ya Shema nemwa district zirimo Ankole kandi stakadebere goal nemwe kandi antrebo district ya Bushenyi basikana bazali muzali ngana kandi eshatu bitari je eshatu batebere mu goals ziringana ibiri zino muzali rwasikana bashamba of course basikana bashamba buje bakashamba district ya Ntungamo omuri chamate tukara musigazi Ismail namweta Isma Kawawuro kasikana teba goal emwe akandi basikana netera Bushenyi kwasikana singo muzanogo then last game bashambiro district ya Ntungamo bagushambira muka umusigazi Katweste Jacob shot number yasikona teba gore mwe yasikona tera district eji ya Bushenyi okugwa makazi na district ya Ntungamo gore mwe harimo nizo gore bireza basikona bateba kandi kuboso bwa hateya nizo basikona bateba mukano mu tournament yona kutwariza hamwe and yo Shema bakiro barinzire their first goal ishwa ngo basikona bashambe mizari nganda kandi eshatu ubwo kubanza kugigura ho Bushenyi gwa 0-0 biza hanu ya Ntungamo batera gore mwe hari 0 baza Ntungamo gwa basikona gwa was it 0-0 then basikana tureba kandi nabwe akurgaye bafuna hanu ya game ndije ya muheru basikana bazana district ya Bushenyi ukasikana tunamanya noha ararabeho kuza around erukorataho anytime from the kwantandika kandi tufune kick off ahiturugambere ebi gukiri 0 district of course kwantandika umpira anytime from now and Bushenyi they are waiting for the moment still also waiting ahiturugambere ebi sayira rukumazi kona kutandika kurungi mnoga shot number 9 aba district ya Bushenyi kandi no mushambo wa timu ya Bull yakufuna kurungi mnoga mitoja sikwa nibanyoka kutafuna musigazo wakata Kakeira o midfield ya timu ya Shema Kakeira shot 60 Kakeira yajiga pass mpora is now Shema bajikwa banyiga mpora kandi tureba shot number 7 mwetenka kamwesiga pia sikwa naguye kurungi mnoga Shema of course being a highly contested game to expecting a possession yamani echo necho kwa cha kabiri ariko no banyanti district zombi nizemanya being Shema orukumanyangu akabasikwa nazarwa Bushenyi ekeri mu Greater Bushenyi turi kwishikaho myaka minje gihingure nyuma aho ikasikone gizara kandi echo rukumanya ngo cyaye iki district ya Bushenyi ne kimanya kurungi munonga no butinti shema na ikenyi ne shambira hanuya kandi omukanka home ground harika abo emeji stadium hizo bene hoturi zokwa tukisyo mpira ogeda kikachera turebe no harikuza kwa na igita kandi homo quarter final remember the group says twasikana bo chakaza kwa turebe zane ndijo kandi kurwo mu group zona ishatu tubasikana tureba noha arasikona zo mu stage kurataho ya dezimwe zabe asikona zahamibwa district ziri munka chirhuri asikona hamibwa kuriga hari mu group B twarebe district ziri munka rubirizi kurwo mu group C of course twarebe district C nzenyiga hari mu actually district ibiri zonka zabasikona zahamibwa that is district ya Chirhura na district ya Rubirizi zabasikona zahamibwa hari mu round kurata ya quarter final then hasiganiza kwa turinda izoberera abasikona tereza result eha irarete oha okuza mu stage ya quarter final mu pakaze scope echankore cup edition ya gatano and of course it's a very great evening hari Kabohe main stadium Rio Judges alongside Beckham zakwantukisiye mpiro bukandi mwabazi wo kujya murungi
because atshanga chibanza chitene cha internet www.tayadnews.com ndihora baze kwano rebera kapira kawe akempaho district ya Bushenyi bakogari turana district ya Shema ninga shiba sakwano data website it is www.tayadnews.com musano gumpawdo sakwano gobona kurunji bills at Tayad West TV then making sure kujango even waza social media platforms zetu sakwano subscribing rather subscribing liking even angwa following on the over X it is Tayad West TV wasakwano tera ho comment yawe no hora basakwano organize singo muzano gumpa district ya Shema bakulitwana district y'Impaha nikamgo Bushenyi abine corner kick Bushenyi bine corner kick tureba basano kaba plan figo rather plan figo aina kasiga zambaketa chat bale bemereye kuri mnonga aho pao akona kick plan figo Kizito Brian Fico tase number 6 na chat bale bona no bemereye aho kuri pao akona kick bakurikira chat bale of course the bench abari box kuri bakatera mutabasana basaira argumaho bagiza kusindika na box Sheili argumaho Prosingo pira pura Kizito Radha pare Lukisa he pura mpira nugiza ahero croquet ne ya district y'Impaha ya Bushenyi baturika Radha ne ashema baturika goalkeeper second Andrew very experienced goalkeeper Andrew second tariko pira pura bagarika bakwata mukachaba district ya Bushenyi tekaho Fasin Janua Pagati Pranga Saida Argumaho Musamba Muteka Chikomo Serie Argumaho Rufuna Jati Nuko kick ya district y'Impaha ya Shema second Andrew goalkeeper second Andrew goalkeeper Raza kusumira cha goalkick hano ya pora kinigwa jika ngutaka rebere man kona mucheka chitu echimpa echo kubanza bagarika bakwata mukache Bushenyi Kizito najezaho Ronda Rubama Mugisha Rogers hano ya Rai Mugisha Rogers KCC FC Pressure Mugisha Rogers National Mutani ya Mugisha Rogers biza bagarika bakwata Mugisha Rogers mamuteka mukono crossing opera pora bagarika bakwata Mushamba district majangu wa muzanira mukubi muzano wa district y'Impaha ya Bushenyi mwete ho tulia msima Ronald muzano wa team y'Impaha ya Karuka Football Club tulia msima Ronald Jazena 7 Romomba muzano wa team y'Impaha ya Karuka mupakeza Fufa Big Creek of course kwa muzano namukubi batureka goalkeeper Hafiz Kasim Jazena 18 muzano wa team ya Express mupakeza Uganda Startimes za Premier League of course na za kusumra free kick Sumra free kick ni gabnonga hano ya Mpaha midfield bateka umutwe aba district y'Impaha ya Shema atureka Jazena 10 wa district ya Bushenyi meta ajuka Edgar haya Arana ajuka Edgar pressing on player bagarika bakwata Jazena 8 amwete bya hanga Edgar pura Jazena 10 Arod Ayisiga Arod cheka pura Rugwama Emrick Rugwama kakani bakwata mukate Mugisha Rogers pura Charles Bale Jazena 8 mwete Mbubu Isangarika mshanga goalkeeper omukoro kumanka second Andrew Kagudauna sana empakeza Uganda Startimes za Premier League Andrew second zane team za mwinji crossing mpira pura Rogers Mugisha nakubona of course mpira na isana kushangara ino mpira nukizana kumusiga na kushanga kuri mnonga line so mpira Mugisha Rogers majango mpira gwa msichire neza kubera pro ina district ya Bushenyi kandi mpira nkaka bit kandi bibi naza kwa nayo bahari ya line Bro ina district kandi ya Bushenyi
throw in aba district ya Bushenyi mwana nja kukiriza mukireka kabitwa Rogers mukisha naje kwa nayumba konka agira tapana pira kwa kutumyo konka manyi babitandi bazana gutaka kurunga imironga Charles Bare bashanga Saida Rugumo captain pass kono gimiga mpora is now district ya Shema ndo kwine Oga pass para kule line alondoha msigazi wakati Oscar wasikona kuna kurudi mnoga kule line is now district ya Shema eta cross ningwa nda sigazi kawauro kati ya wasikona kuna kurudi left back Edgar Ijuka simula mpira muringo kiri mwanya is now Jacob yawedi kama mpora washangoha Kawaulo Isma nompira the first goal scored by district ya Bushenyi Kawaulo pass kula line mpora Kawaulo Isma nompira pass line eta cross ningwa na ronda Saidi na kushanga nikafika kushanga through pass mpora nziko na yirika nasi nikare kana jatu kumza mtine chiroho Saidi Rugumo wagwine na ronda Charles Bare basona kutapinga mukiro mwanya kireba district ya Shema ndwaje konwe tasa mtomeraho once again Saidi Rugumo nompira pass mpora yasiko kuna nao is now district ya Shema pass kula hansi is now Oscar mpira garenga pira gwagira chimohenda kwa na district ya Bushenyi throw in aba district ya Bushenyi kuchiri 0-0 cyo kanecyo kubanza kaputu mnonga wiza gwasanga musigazi junior bitkaba asoma kumwibaho izina Oscar nita cross ningwa na rondo hadarunda Lucas Mwisha ikanlona jasmana kufuna kurundi mnonga ya kwerezoha sigazi happy pays nasema kufuna kurundi mnonga kandi yakuneza neza kuba asubura mpira muringwa na ronda Charles Bare bagumutangaho falu kya mshidinga kurundi mnonga Ila gwasanga sa number 13 aba district ya Shema Mwetenka Augustine Munga pasa line izina Rubama nompira pira badi ya Shema Rubama na kwerezoha Rogers Mugisha pass kula line na Roda Faruku kwa bagusanga kwa Telev Ronald na msirikana mjata pana toka lile kahunga pale mpira throw in aba district ya Bushenyi kuchiri 0-0 mnyana jarukira akirinkaka Itikano anoreba pira gwasanga gutandika gucira 50-50 tino basikona apuna that dominance umucecura cyo kubanza buri umwe naje ko nateka imbere biti tukarebere chance neba created ya no kiniti goalkeeper omwe wasaide mwe basikona kwa tampira batahasigara tuyo tureba pira gucira 50-50 in one all the other way round nagumiza no kwanda kutambura kule line kushangoha Charles Bare ba district ya Bushenyi ya line Charles Bare final pira kujya heru goal kick refa jangu goal kick ba district ya Shema goal kick wa Shema a goal kick for Shema bagutaka kuruje muno gakuluka left muka right back sigazi Mwetenka waswa sibura mpira muringwa uza gwashanga Ijuka Edgar pass clear line naronda Kawaulo funa Jacob no mpira basi kali refa na jangu enchi refa na jangu ni free kick wa district ya Shema sigazi walikwetaka Kasiri bamushambira kubi Kasiri waswa gwatira district ya Shema One room edition singire nyuma aho Kasiri ya Benabaru humuka right back sono mwali wa legends wa district ya Shema I truly believe in 2024 bar showroom semi-final wakusingwa district ya Ibanda gawire 0-0 kabandi yakagureba Kasiri ya waswa kabaru kandi he was the captain by the way and definitely Dre Rogers Mugisha wa Shema na sanata home box Rogers niko na passing mpira room center umutabwe hanu msigazinga Oscar no musigazi Rubama ya bauna baba rumba batapingo piro kazu katimba Rogers Mugisha enda kubanga agarika mahamo wa kabiri kandi ekitaba sky turuka mbirebi yasubane ba goal kick basabona gutandika pora musigazi Figo pass line pira kujya heru kandi throw in aba district ya Shema Rubama uza gwashanga Kakaira Terento mocheri higuru Ronald na gutomeraho naronda ayesiga no mpira for Shema tapinga mpira kule kwanza gwashanga umsikazi wakataka Kranma wabano mpira pasa line naronda Oscar na gushanga ndingata gushanga finally Kasiri basi kali hansi refa najirangu free kick ufana jangu free kick umsikazi Kawaulo Isma bamushambira kubinaniza kwa free kick tumkireka kamnyano wanje Clinton Kamugisha hano muri Mbara City cyakare pressure yahiguri yangira ngo aruho pressure yahiguru Mbara district yakwihaho kabonero njibanchi kumara kunka yakushengura cyakbanturira no guhera umukoti yaro bajya bakashara nabaramse hari muri Bwizwera Dr Moses Cyo rukwane cyamana munonga kushanga no boro mukire kona Ndire musigazi Kasiri waswa na ina pass para Oscar na kupuna izina Shema Oscar mpira back pass na puna Fran Mareta cross ni go box no hariho goalkeeper agira ngo apana baza kona correct gebera byawe goalkeeper muhereze berabo kandi yaskora apuna kurunje munonga abakutureba mu rukuru muri district ya Ntunga muri makoresha shahize shara ziri higuru bagira ngo arugwari yarukaho gute tukarabaho ukaza kwanturinda sai arugumaho izina bushenye throw pass naraba mukande pira gwagura muringwa Joab mpira cyagufuna kandi yabasa ko ari goal kick aba district ya Shema Segas Joab cyagufuna ku rujumnonga in fact is called Jacob shot 20 ya district ya Bushenye bakutanga ku rujumnongo muka left back Segazi is now Rubama versus Fadiga is now Farouk for Shema Farouk the cross lingwa naronda Kranma namfuna ninga tamufana kuri line tureba goalkeeper sikona gufuna kurunja munonga goalkeeper district ya Bushenye yakufuna kurunja munonga wa district kandi ya Bushenye akuteka pass kula line Sigazi Isma Kabawro yasikona gutera kimwe heri throw in aba district ya Shema gukiri 0 first half Bushenye ne bara 0 na district ya Shema ne bara 0 Turhanuye hari Kabuhe playground great evening Saturday 2011 kwezi kwenyine kwa Mukaga raptora kwa Mshanju Ejo rwane cyo mwendo kushanga ukatandukanye itwebiro Mukaga bikweze kwa Mukaga nkore kapituru kugikura kuri muri Bushenye ubwo ngumpira gwigwireho kwa 0-0 tukaturi hari Bushenye main stadium abo hati barkweta Miracle Recruit Stadium kwa 0-0 reka turi ndizo bene kuzahi tire cross ningwa mitwe asikora kutomeraho Charles Bari yapasi ngompira kuri hansi gwashangoho Kabawlo Ismail afuna Jacob pass line narondoha pass babona gwamo pass kula hansi naronda Oscar na gushanga nikata gushanga Ismail asindika pora faraja kutina kiro tukumizemo
of course 0-0 cheka chitire cyo kubanza ta Shema ne bara 0 district ya Bushenye bara 0 batoreka composer y'abazana bari muka Charles Bale abazana bari mu Said Argumaho abazana Mbumbu bona bao bacagerezeho kuterezaho performance y'amana ba district y'Impaya ya Bushenye batoreka basigaze nka of course abazana wa team ya KCC Mwete Mugisha Rogers of course acagerezeho mpora bisabagara batoreka chase number 41 ba district y'Impaya ya Bushenye tera pass ni gunonga kuronda Charles Bale Tarika goal kick ya mpora busana kumaka second Andrew sana ona jaze number 2 comes Mbe Prime wa district y'Impaya ya Shema kwa mpora jaze number 10 mkono kumaka Ice Road Sharamutani ya Rubama passing up mpora Enrique Rubama tira pass y'ikibara mbagara kabaje kwa jaze number 41 mkono kumaka tudia Musima Mansur rather tudia Singra Mansur jaze number 41 to prayer. Of course, about the jungle and the throw in a district y'Impaya ya Shema. Bajangu throw in a district ya Shema. Wasigaje kipira chiringa mnoga jase na 27 Mwete Joab Junior ateka umuti pora kuronda Hossein Argumao bateka goalkeeper Andrew Sekandi Naisana chiro mpira pora tabura hari ya Ryan Naisana ronda mukuru kumanyaka Kapsime Pran jase number 2 Pran Kapsime kusingo mpira pora Kizito Pran Pico Pano gumisiga Bumbu pora jase number 27 Farouk Karunda Said Argumao take out Mutwe now for jase number 7 of course Tina Rio jase number 2 Pran Kapsime by district y'Impaya ya Shema na goalkeeper second Andrew Pasigo mpira pora Andrew Sekanji batoreka Rogers Mugisha Alliance no muzano wa timu ya KCCA of course natunga mu buta Rogers Mugisha na jati kibondi ngo cha mukwata Rogers Mugisha Rogers of course eshayo na yagumza mubakora menchuka Mugisha Rogers natunga injury Jase number 14, Rogers Mugisha batoreka ho abazana ba team y'Impaya ya Bushenye abazana jase number 14 Charles Barre former Soccer Club Villa player former Gor Mahia player Omuyanga area Kenya former Ryan Sport football player Omuyanga ya Rwanda former Gomba Masaza Cup omumpaka y'Impaya eza Buganda Masaza Cup of course by 2021 Soccer Club Vile Kasaya Scouting Akasan Charles Bale pen by 2023-2024 12 goals ompaka za Uganda Star Times za Premier League bakwangura ikikombe cyabo echa 17 ningashe their 17th title ompaka za Uganda Star Times za Premier League abwe Soccer Club vyateka umutwe kipana kwata kuno mnonga second Andrew Force naizana kwata kuno mnonga second Andrew Tarike chipira chiringa mnonga pura bagar kamba kwata pura ba district ya Shima now just numbers 8 Meto mukuro kumaka Edgar crossing on pura Baronda Farouk just number 12 na semu pura na Ronald Farouk bachangu goal kick
goal kick aba district andi ya Bushenyi bitkandi akatebeka Bushenyi narebaho one of great goalkeepers aino Mugisha Bright goalkeeper our Ishaka Reigns Romari abo kandi kutantu one of those young talents reba chance aba district ashimani ya Oscar tapuma mpira kandi kuchira box refa nagira ngwenchi Ufana jangu hapana tingechiro tukumizamo Kabeza Ronald tuli amsima ba district kandi ya Bushenyi tuli amsima Ronald bitkandi mshambi Oscar Garansi ba district kandi ya Shema Yes indeed referee nagira ngo hapana let us pause turebe what could be the problem Heru kandi Oscar nawe yabasikwana za hansi Zakona imko kurunzi mnonga referee naza kona atandika fair play bareba ho commentator rero mu World Cup Changa hiro kadi yaragara and the prayer is called changa nguna basakona tiyayo okujigariza referee shobora kutwatire mu chikopotensi yona ekiro kigumiza mu hati ya France ekasinga Morocco okwiza hano mu semi final once again Turebereho yesterday ihangire ya Spain basinga Belgium goals ibira hariyemwe okwiza kwegita mu semi final bazakona kwati ihangire ya France izoberi England Norway sanature no harasikona funa that way kuza mu semi final then tugarike turebe muna n'umuzando gundi biri hagati ihanga iriya Argentina Muna nihanga iriya Switzerland. Free kick for Shema. Free kick about district ya Shema. It's right in the tight angle. Yum angle nuje kugira maybe. Nitezwa Afrika muruje kwanya crossing mpira kubiro kwiswa hobwa. Ebashira kutanga free kick nuje kaba Kevin De Bruyne. Abasigazi kaba you remember days za Ruben van Persie na crossing mpira murungi mnonga Mugisha Rogers na crossing ngomba kusimitwe basona kuni yagwargayo bikan tule musigazi Aisha Edgar in fact asona heading aho Charles Bare Said Gumo chest control Said Gumaho Saidi back pass Aishuka Edgar asona mpira muringo bitwe Rubama ya heading aho gwashangoha Rogers Mugisha is now Shema Rogers Mugisha narunda Rubama yagufuna Figo for Bushenyi agutabigo ya heru Revana jiranguneza kubera tule na badisinti ya Bushenyi Throw in for Bushenyi kuchini 0 Bushenyi 0 Shema bine center back shot number 13 Okada is one of those experienced defenders kana tiru Western Uganda pira gwa burejerizo bana gumanya kurunji mnonga and is the center back Zoberi esikana heading kandi na district ya Bushenyi twatire bo shot number 41 sigazi bari kwetanka Mansur tujya singura sinashobora ya 6 o'clock yajwara kurunje mu kina cha Hilary Mukundane discipline wise hari center back akiri kurunje mnonga so really we don't expect kugira uzakwa ntore ubuziva man mnonga ba district ya Bushenyi most especially bakukozingwa district ya Shema bukuba sigazi Mansur yajwara kurunje mu kina echo recrossingwa kandi Laina najirangu hari hukuma ingashara offside Sigazi wakwetaka Oscar yabakumbire neza kwa Republika ba district kandi ya Bushenyi mwebare kuruje mnonga bari ku district ya Kiruhura mutira mukirenka abanyana banje bakazo nyencha kare kazo umwana kajya tukazo ne hiruma nyencha kare kazo playground nyencha kare kazo ibanda neizane werenko ruko tubagirango kazo muri abana bitu first game kaho 0-0 hari ibanda PTC St George's reka turinde nyinshi kare bitware cyo kwa n'abanyamuzano no kugira ngo tukarebereho district yibanda neije hari kazo playground ikiyo points 3 can it be possible cyakare tindi kumanya kandi kindi ijikambwe ibanda netaga just akabonero kamwe kandi yo kazo netago bonero 3 akwase kandi bashuwa kurabo any 3 points twenda kumanya one goal difference baniki ekikuru points 3 nyencha kare nzakabanje mara throw in for Shema Faruku atemka pira kuruje munuka line aronda mukisha Rogers turiya msimalona ya kutatinga mukandre pale na jirango hadi hochi throw in abadi shift ya Shema Rogers mukisha yagurekera Faruku shot 12 mitwe sigazi Mansuri abasipana kwenya kurudi munonga kwa rondoha mbombo bobo mpira bombo fabushenyi bombo nao yarita tropase ningo na rondoha Saida rukomaho no 10 ngai aine Okada nagira tori mwana muto Saida rukomaho yasikana kuswa kurudi munonga Saida pasa Okada chance control here comes Shema babu yayo Charles Bare yatabinga pe mama nyabo kapira kakareka P1 P2 kapira faida kabaka P1 P2 wewe jatu bari kupereze bera bonkebe machingo kaga P1 P2 shot from Charles Bare. Goalkeeper has comfortably collected it. Charles Bare. Figo kitamzika free kick for Bushenyi. It is a free kick for Bushenyi kuchiri 0-0 Bushenyi bajirangu igara nechira Shema. Abashe bajirangu Shema nechira igara. Eka turinde. But of course want to never atana na munongo mabazi nkobu wechuri si mutana pizo bira sikone yaman munonga abantu nibinji kandi turiko mushoni na zensi this is munongo zyo muri ankore Joel babile kwani bizo mabazi nkobu isina Bushenyi isina uchako back pass na rondoha Kabalo Ismail Nopira Kabalo Ismail pass tera sana bunaga Oscar na Nopira muringo munonga agakicha fadiga tagufuna figo ya wedenga Franma ya kweza ho Ronald tuyasinga throw pass wana chiraka bakomeramo kwa Shangoha Charles Bare na kushanga ninga tagushanga tele vya sakana kushanga Charles Bare Nopira pass line pira kuja heru throw in for Bushenyi it is a throw in for Bushenyi wanaja ruchira kira kaka kuchira 0-0 Bushenyi 0 Shema of course Shema netaga points 3 is sure and Bushenyi netaga just a single point ukwe mbera table hari mu group A
of course throw in their district Jimpa ya Shema tarikompira mpora mkuru kumaka Faruk just number 12 Mwete ho Karime Samagara kambakota mpira katurebe crossing of mpira but what a lovely defense now Mansuri does number 41 nagarika natika hamutwe Rubama Henrik and crossing of mpira mpora just number 10 bagarika bagumwi hawo just number 27 mkuru kumaka Joab Junior crossing of mpira mpora mbumbu just number 8 hayala bagarika kambakota mpora Shema crossing of mpira ya line batwereka Frani Mataremwa sana kumimbumbu na katika naimuka mbumbu na Ukraine make hand bajangu no kushikana kwa district ya Bushenyi Shukangu Shema they have good prayers omzanka Enrique Rubama UPDF FC prayer season pakeza Uganda Star Times of Premier Reach Enrique Rubama Of course wamurebe imyaka ni kama 20 na mushanju plus. But imagine Habwa start times of Premier League. Now Ronald. So crossing go mupira pora Ronald Inche. Kwapiano kizamkizairo kumkuru kumaka Ronald. Jersey number 7. Kamsima Karuka FC football player. In fact, Kizito Ranfico, one of the good midfielders. Karikopira pora Matsu. Jersey number 41. Pakarika bakata pora. Now Kauru Isma. Kotampura Franma Tarima Franma, Pakarika Bagumutanga Jacob. Jersey number 20, now jersey number 10. Metamukuro Kumaka Ajuka Edka, Sharamutaria Ryan, Bajang Karochi, Bajang Tugumisemu. Kaworu Isma. Crossing on Pura, jersey number 15, Mukuro Kumanaka, Waswa, Kasidi. Crossing on Pura, the goalkeeper is here. Bajangu, Haro goal kick, Bajangu, Basana Mukubi. Habu Mukuro Kumanaka, Ajuka Edka. Chikangunom Sana, Abgama Keke Balax. Mpakeza Western Region League. Mukuro Kumanyanka, Ajuka Edka, Makenke Barracks. And of course, Abadu Mchange Chambara, Ninga Shumbara City. Pamuchenga Kunjumnonga Edka, Makenke Barracks, a football player, Western Region League. Of course, Adia Hansi, Aba District Jimpaya of Shenyi. Nakumza Batul Kabasan Farouk. Of course, Yanatunga instructions. Batul Kabasan Henrico Rubama, jersey number 3. Of course, Nachati Nyugunyayanga, Mutereka deep hit. Henrik Rubama. Next FC football player. Crossing on Pura Tarima Kranma. Kwatampura Rugas Mugisha. Now Ronald. Teka Mumutwe. Now Kakire Davis. Now Chats Bale. Counter attack. Chats Bale. Attack. Now the Zayda Gumau. Chats Bale. Sharamutani. Chats Bale. Second Andrew with an extraordinary mature save. Now Farouk. Crossing on Pura. Now Henrik Rubama. Henrik Rubama. Pura, Lubama Henrik, Shanamuntanuya, Kids to run Figo, Rubama, crossing on Pura, Tanima Panama, so Pura, just number 10. Metomukumaka Aroda, Ayesiga Arod, Shanamuntanuya, now just number 15, crossing on Pura, Bizamo Tekas, Bajaguado free kick. Free kick.
Here's a free kick for District Yashema. Timu zombi hatiye batanga kugira umbirwa batanga kuvuguma mpora Mushenyi batanga kurumba kandi Sheba batanga kutoreka kugera baza kuretinga dengera chances okufuna maybe itwa kwa abantu beta goals mwabazi nkogu timu zombi zine that demand. Remember nti Shema netaga goals ibiri on difference okubasa konera baho kandi remember Mushenyi yakonsidinga goals ibiri hari sileta teberemu reba nese ubiri kwangwe basa koneta kandi Shema yo ibasa konera baho kebembire group Konka, as we speak, which is 0-0, that means Bushenyi, I think Gambere table. Nani kweza live standings. Bushenyi vembire table points mukaga. Mtunga mwanyego wa kabiri points zingana 5. Shema mwanyego wa kashatu points zingana 2. Live standings. I think Gambere vyenyini. Is now Faruku chiraka. Wasikana gurukayo. Gwasanga musigaza gatanka. Jacob yasikana simarakani wasikana gurenga. Is going to be a throw in for Shema. Yongera kwa nisima mwenda batirota ya rosto mtireka kahoro hona kureba ico kwanisho cyabana mnonga bano bita bashema bari ko muri Bushenyi bicaga bitari mwe namwe aba side za Nyakahita bari ku side za Kitabi abari kuriya hari muri Kizinda abarisha ko mtown butiriho Bushenyi kugamba buri mu rebo pira gwa Bushenyi na Shema kimukora cyabana mnonga Odium business ya Otiro, Odium Sarun, Ningashuri Muduka ya Otiro, Tayar West Church College Chaban Munonga, Recross now chance, Patilia Shema Chiraka, Kwauru Askara Bihayo, Biza Washangoha, Hayesega, who have been Pora is now District Yashema, Raja Kononika, Kakaira Piragunaga, Charles Bare, Nagfuna, Porampora, is now Bumbo, Bambono Pira, Propasa Ningua Ronda Saida Kumaho, Armono Pira Saidi, Abasas Casripra Son of Tekahir. Casria was a Tekahir Kanaka very throw in a district of Shen, which is 0 Bushenyi, 0 Shema. Habashima Bonjira Kwanbajirangu. Igara nature Shema. Kanda basha mbajirangu Shema nature igara reka turinded by 90. no hari atware points zipinganisha tu kandi yatwara na goals ingahi Jacob yagoriza Ismail Kawaulo Nek FC yenga pasa line na rondoha zinao Kasirie waswa Kasirie back pass Kakeira nupira Kakeira na rondoha Rubama yasbana gunaga Gwashangoha Junior Keriso Kakeira yasbana kuramasa again pasa line is now Ayesiga Arod pass kula line basi dikaro final jirangu kile chiro jeno mnisho back pass Lukushangoha is now team Jack. It's Brian Umpira, Brian passes Kasirie. Is now Brian once again. Brian as Umpira Muringo. Now Rondoha. Jacob Junior. Pass a line. Is now Bumbu for Said Argumaho. Said Argumas Academy. Said Argumaho. Now take pass Parampora. Is now back pass. Lukshanga Faruk for Shema. Faruk. Left back on Parampora. Build up 1-2-1-2. Shema once again on the move. Is now Faruk Umpira. Pass a line. Now Ronda Rubama Enrique. Rubama Umpira. Parampora. Nek FC. Former UPDF. Is now Rubama. Pass a line. Agatin South. Now Rondoha. Yesiga basura kumuyao is now Figo ya pass kula line Charles Bare is now Charles Bare no mpira Charles Bare 1-2-1-2 pasa line pasa Sokada Charles Bare pasa Sokada pira final gudia heru tulepana jirangu naweza kuwa goal kick district ya Shema. Thanks of course Sigazi Okada athletic experience. Sigazi Okada yatwereka that level pedigree. Chest control from Oscar for Rogers Mugisha. Mitwe Ronald no mpira pass kwa line para Figo back pass Lukushangoha Sigazi Faruku na hiyo mpira muringo. In fact yabari aishuka hadi mpira muringwa kiza kwa shangu Sigazi Okatanga Junior nagunaga zina Oscar pass kula line na Rondoha Franma one touch Oscar chukumiranga against Edgar Oscar no mpira Oscar for Shema shot number 8 for team ya Shema zina Oscar back pass na Franma no mpira Franma ita cross ni box Kawaulo Ismail na bia hiyo kwa shanga Rubama baba nyabo tira kwa jera tumaheru pira kwa Zahir. What a build up, what a beautiful move from Shema. If Shema can maintain this, it looks a little bit dangerous about district ya Ushenyi. Ushenyi nimekwita ntara moves inkezi because kwa letu robuzi kwa manu mnonga wanoreka one touch kwa shamba kumusigazi Oscar kumusigazi Kranma and final touch from Rubama. Mama nyabo chekane chukubanze dakika ashatu na mukaga 0 Shema 0 Ushenyi. Here comes Jacob na mpira through pass Mpango na ronda Charles Bare no mpira shot number 14 na kwa Ronald 3 single right across the box na ronda Said Argumata kufuna Brian yagirika kwa sikana gurikaho Gwashangoha Sigaza izina Kranma for Shema through pass ningo na Rogers Mugisha na kushanganika takushanga Rogers Mugisha Rogers Waweza bakutapi kwa Zahir throw in about district ya Shema bakutapi kwa mnonga biza kwa Shangoha Kranma no mpira Kranma ita cross ningo box no hard ho Kranma chapacha kwa heru refana jirangu harochi ajirangu it's a corner. Refana jirangu it's a corner. Sigazi Kranma yabarebere goalkeeper tari line. Kranma yabarebere goalkeeper tari line neza kwera corner. It is a corner for district kandi. It is a corner for district kandi ya It is a corner for district ya Shema. Kranma aita mpira mlingo box control from Figo Rogers Mugisha mitwe kutia line goalkeeper asikana kwata kuronje mnonga bwa Shema aba Ushenyi wewe kunja banywana banje bari kuri district kandi ya Ibanda. Message ni zile kuronje mnonga Charles Bare is now Brian no mpira Brian aba district ya Shema agresha goalkeeper Sigazi na tataka kuronje mnonga bwa Shanga Kakeira for Shema. Pasa line ronda Faruk ya kufuna kuronje mnonga Faruk aba district ya Shema na gamba gutera line tias bana kufuna zina three single Ronald na sabona pira muringo ujahiguro mwanya nento mu kuronje mnonga Said Argumaho na kurata na kufuna kuronje mnonga Said Argumaho na kusoka kuronje mnonga district ya Ushenyi Said Argumaho bafose kutera wa shore box Said Argumaho no chino mpira refana jirango enchi hanu ya na jangu throw in aba district ya Ushenyi throw in for Ushenyi na jangu chiriza kile kaka throw in hawa Ushenyi wewe message ni zireba abanyani banje bari kuriya amukutwito kwa YouTube chimukwane cy'amana munonga bari X chimukwane cy'amana bari TikTok chimukwane cy'amani message ni zireba hariya abanyani banje bari Shema bagirango Shema ne TikTok abari Ushenyi in fact bagirango Shema kumbagare reka turi nizoberi reka turinde Bushenyi ne Hirima ntinga. Anyway, gukira zero Bushenyi zero Shema, and of course turi harika boy playground. Mfire pass mpora kuri hansi na rondo msigazi Kasiriye waswa is now Shema Kakeire na pass amakati sawa Bushenyi in fact Shema Kakeire naita cross lingwa nukushangoha is now msigazi Msira Mansur na mpira mulingo kushangoha Edgar Ayizuka Fumbumbu is now timu ya Rubama no mpira Rubama pro pass na arabaho no harukora bamugisha tubakusha na gushanga ninga okay ni msigazi wakataka nga Mansur kan finally pira kwagira tumuheru pira gwaza heru neza kuberi goal kick. Kanishkangu, in case Shema Yasigarum group, it will be their second consecutive year. Batakurigam group. Last year Wakasigarum group, Hargamura Paraja Gumzamuno Kwasakoneza stage and action and district Yantungamo. And even this looks to be their second time in the row. Miaka Kurati Neshe Batakurigam group. That is Kugura 0-0 Ningash and a draw. Ningash win ya Shema, Yagore Mahar 0. Mama Sigarum group. Is now Okada, Yagulicha goalkeeper, our district ya Shema. Hasa kwa muzimu, shangani basigaromu group, emyaka ibere kuratine, amuchikopa chankuru, mako kwa huire, bakasigaromu group. It was a bit surprising. Ruwampara ya rabamu ya argomu group, and now, bine mu district zirimunka ntunga mona Bushenyi, but again it looks like, biasigana kukubiri, it will be obvious maza sigarum group. Here comes Rubwama for Shema. Rubwama! Goalkeeper asikana kwa takurunji mnonga. Goalkeeper asikana kwa takurunji mnonga kuchiri 0 Shema 0 Bushenyi. Echwekane cyo kubanza kandi kuri gutambura kuri mnonga according to what I see. District ya Bushenyi nibetaka maintaining this momentum. Gusigare guri 0-0 tena Bushenyi. Era munka group leader. Remember to munka group leader. Chikuha upper hand habwachi. Nono chimanyangu noza kuvugana omunafu at least oraraba mwanyi gwa kabiri mu group ndijo. Remember the group A in the group D, group B in the group C. Hey, that is quarter final. That means that group A bazakon barinda araraba hagati ya Mbara City, Isinjiro, Rampara na Mbara district. Okuba rije zakon tureba no hora basikona ba facing then between Kiruhura Kazo Ibanda baza kuvugana araba hagati ya district ya Mito Marubirizi amwe na Bwejo tureba ubusigazo hagati Magisha Lojazi nata cross ningwa kiraka pira guria final guria heru kona is going to be a corner for Shema but Shema bazakon banyigenyire turebe nani basikurwa makashaga makire kaka nonyo bwire bwinji wanjisirize nyino nerga mushaga marika turinde turebe Shema bazakon banyiga mpora can it be the moment for Shema to take the lead very early in the game ningesine kwa turinda.
Of course, Musegazi Mugisha Rogers, Tarima Kranma, of course, Bemeride, Akona kick, Bagurechara Faruk, crossing on Pirapura Kranma, take off just the number 2, and of course, it goes outside. Goal kick about district Empire Bushenyi, Patrika goalkeeper, Omukuru Kumanyanka, Kasim, Omukuru Kumanyanka, Kasim, Hafiz. Of course, Arunaza Kutanikamu, a goal kick, Hafiz, Kasim. Express a football player, of course, Nathan Gagori kick pura Pizabagar Kabakwata Mujasena number 10, Abadi Street Jimpa, Eya, Shema, Pizakurunda Rogas Mugisha, Jazena 14, Pizabagar Kabamutakoringa, Balona Tanima, Kwanum Piranogushka. Of course, just 2 minutes to the top of first half, to the end of first half. Rachike zukengana ibirizonko of course rachika makumyanisha za turko mucheka echo kubanza mbatureka Charles Bale crossing on pira mbumbu back to Bale crossing on pira Charles Bale imsambateka pass haria run Charles Bale crossing on pira the number 20 Tamkuru kumaka kwesiga Jacob Atangu muskano kuzahiri bachangu and goal kick batureko mukuru kumaka second Andrew former Entebbe UPPC goalkeeper former Maida goalkeeper former Usoga United goalkeeper second Andrew Bakari Kabasana no mukuru kumaika chase number 13 Akada tin chase number 12 Faruk now Charles Bale Radambumbu Said Al Gmaho Mbumbu again Mbumbu crossing on Kronda Fonad crossing on Pura Kronda Said Al Gmaho now Ronald again now Charles Bale Kwatampura crossing on the line mukuru kumaka Jacob Jacob Salamut Sanuya line Jacob na mshana mtase boxes Sanuya Jacob ho crossing on Piranuya Bakareka bakwata mjazena motote 7 crossing on mupira the goalkeeper there. It goes out. It goes outside now. Second Andrew. UPPC 2023-2024. Because akana zana timu ya Gaddafi ninga chetewe UPPC. Crossing on Piralia Omnabibi now chasing number 10 Aroda Siga. Siga Arhut. Chasing number 10 Abra Shema District. Of course 0-0. There is a referee na Angela Meda chika singa mucheka chokubanza. Let's wait and see. Pachika mpira mlingo pora pora Said Argmaho pata pora pora Saidi Argmaho passing mpira pora pora now just the number 27 mkuru kwa Jacob Junior passing mpira Charles Bale bakwata mukache second Andrew there to save tanuko mpira pora pora na Faruk just the number 12 mkuru kwa Faruk Karemira Bajang half time goes like that 0-0 of course Shema still demanding. Of course, about district ya Shema Bagumza Munubetaka Obhangsi. Can they score 2 goals in the second half? Of course, Shema Betaka goals as Kingana Ebidi are progressing to the next round of quarterfinals. If they can manage to win 2-0 against Obsheni District today's evening. Of course, Shema Betaka of one Kingana Bushatu and comfortable goals as Kingana Ebidi progressing Abakaza Omuchkopo or rather Omubaka is a quarterfinals as Chikopo Echimpa Echa Ankureka. Of course, after Safia was a Kwanendra goals as Kingana 0-0. Nengastine Ateva Omkatemba Kamujenzue. There is the reason they say 0 goals ninga 1 goal abashomire puriro amena na judge.
Well, Beckham dakika nani tano of course abaziri a bit balance because tureba ho team zombi district ya Bushenyi batureka they are praying for something ile twarimba Rwanda kandi Shema nabo still bajimba fighting but first chances zero point tureba goals ziri kuri gamu chances kandi kindi gano reba ho team zombi I think Shema parmo adimani kusiga district ya Shema no chirinti rather kusiga district ya Bushenyi no chirinti at the moment tukarebe mu goal nemwe but we think anzo kwa tureba mu goal because twase kwa 0-0 dakika nani tano za balance of course team zombi zafuna chances and the two afuna chances yabasikone converted but at the moment guchiri a bit good.
Okay. Nibinje bitora base kuba tuganira nabo bwa first half and even abinje tuzakuba tubenjezaho abwecheka chitu echa kabiri after second half of course tuzakuba tuganira binje but so far so good bwa district ya Shema versus Bushenyi 0-0 first half reka tumure mukache tugaruka na second half.
Akahoha kararugokwe kukaransona ngunyije na bene iwe.
Hati turakozesa sabundi za Wandazi.
It is okay, ndebire wanyirira n'abana batakeyagura. Kamba njurire esabundi za Wandazi zirime birungo byo muhendo okuhumuraje no kuhwero kumaraho burwire bwo mubiri okananuka okanyirira. Aba Wandazi beine Wandazi medicated soap nerwaniso bukoko aha mubiri beine Wandazi herbal soap ibyo kweyaguzo rugusyo wacha wewe beine Wandazi baby soap ejineri ndaje mibiri y'abana ejikwata mememe. Aba Wandazi beine Wandazi black soap okuchencho burofwa mu mubiri okasigarura bobera. Aba hoteli na guest houses mutwarira abagenyi banyu Wandazi guest soap eina kahoho karungi. Esabuni za Wandazi ziryo mu maduka gono mwihanga omu retail na wholesale zikakakasibwa na UNBS abo byo mutindo abariko no mbwingi tere simu noti 383 gura hati.
Wonders, always wonderful.
In the neighborhood, near stagnant water and mosquito breeding sites, malaria lurks, always waiting to strike. But fear not, for here comes Mr. Vaxa, the ultimate protector against malaria. For years, malaria has been one of the biggest threats to children under 5, making them weak and even putting their lives at risk. But now, the government is introducing a new solution, the malaria vaccine. The malaria vaccine is now in the routine immunization schedule. The malaria vaccine is administered in 4 doses at 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, and 18 months. This vaccine will provide extra protection against severe malaria. And don't forget, routine immunization protects children from many deadly diseases. Every vaccine matters. Visit the nearest health facility for routine immunization services today. Mr. Vaxa, the malaria vaccine is free, safe, and ready to protect our children. Will you join the fight and complete all 4 doses? For more information, call the Ministry of Health on 0800-100-066. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health.
Hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nubagaruka ya ishomero kandi ibintu bikiri kubi abo washota kutwara icweka cha fiza ishomero rya junior rireza motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma
mwami wanje abo acita kushashura ntkozisa momo naho tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konkana bwono basa kushabaroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero gacejumbire mundige basa kwangura school van
namazima singura school fees yo mwaka gona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na vani yishomero ahabo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaloni eya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
Like a daily bando, like a daily bando, like a daily bando. Yeah, yeah. Omuliro nguwulira muli mu mutima kukankana like drums. Kalakata, kalakata. Enendungu ya kusabula. Mikono free of fire, free of fire, free of fire.
This June, step into a bigger entertainment experience with more to love on Us. We're talking more drama, more action, more unforgettable stories, all waiting for you. We're opening up our world of entertainment so you can view more. Okay. This June, pay for your current GoTV subscription and we'll upgrade you at no extra cost.
Green Management Makutusako, 10 years of MK Promotions. Ebiro by'okwezi 18 kwa Musanzu twareta Shiba Karungi ishaka kizinda mu kishayi abayimbi bangi n'abakomediani zibamuwerekedde okuli Engineer Giovanni tosubwa Pretty Mac n'abalala okutaha muno omutwalo gumu n'ekiwaka VIP b'emitwalo 3 emeze n'emitwalo 5 tokkiriza kusubwa ujja tunyumirwa endongo mu 10 years of MJ Promotions ng'ajaguza emyaka 10 olw'okusituranga abayimbi n'okulaakulanya ebitone by'abavubuka nga 18 July Queen Shiba Karungi ajja ekizinda mu kisaawe nga kiwagiddwa tayari West TV, Ronex Farmers, Alta FM Radio, Apex Graphics, Pepsi, Printers and Computer Services in Shaka.
MTN, everywhere you go.
Hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nubagaruka ya ishomero kandi ibintu bikiri kubi abo washota kutwara icweka cha fiza ishomero rya junior rireza motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma
mwami wanje abwacita kushashura ntukozesa momo naho tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konka nabwo no basa kushabaroni ya fees ubwo n'amashomera gacejumbira muri basa kwangura school van
n'amazima singura school fees yo mwaka gona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na vani y'ishomero ahabwo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaroni ya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
Otaferwa aha tayari West
twakora umukoro ubwo mwana owitu family member wa tayari kandi ukoze umugenzo witu erizoba nwe turiyo tumuhintinjira
amasekate nira akakurage yazagwaje akatene shonga yona
mwene pizza byona bvi
ese mukunagire kugireba ndeberi Edwin Edwin sinenti ono weto wakwata umusoro ata
umusoro nakwata masi
ata umusoro nakwata masi simaranga bwa masi koze masi no muchatebekine arukora munonga atakwetaga ngo no musupervising munonga akora umurumugwe so kandi obushwere ni kimwe ahangingo izurahanga arukwerekeramu imbabazize so nitsima ruhanga kugira ngo imico ya mase no gukora kweye pango kandi yamuhereze cyoco cy'amafi
Come on! The Dusk Drive.
104.5 Magashigezi FM on the Dusk Drive today. Rachel, at what time should your husband get back home?
At 7 p.m. If you're not home, where are you? As a responsible man, at 7 p.m. where are you?
7 p.m.
We are supposed to be at home.
By the time
dinner is 7:30. You where are you at 7?
What kind of dinner though?
Program The Dusk Drive.
This is 104.5
Panyachigez FM.
We are your #1 favorite station.
Otaferwa aha tayari West
umuziki hagundi umweshongoza handisho abachana bahanga mu ndongo ejini program Saba.
Of course, come close, don't pause, just whine and pause, commotion.
Abachakaza tubashanga mu ndongo tutikita nabo za stage zo mulembe tuzemereho omuziki noguhurira tokwe buri kwa katano shaha inaza chiroji na ndongo basi
Otaferwa aha tayari West
Echakabiri Ankore Cup, the last dance Mumpaka is Impaha is a group stages. Ankore Cup, of course, Ashema nababara 0 district ya Bushenyi nababara 0 kandi chweka chiti cy'umusano cya kabiri omukire kace mnonga just within a seconds ntuza kuba tureba teams zukwete bakanisa kuza omuchweka ecya kabiri obwati ya Shema Sir nubagumiza mu kushera goals ezugingana ebiri omuchweka ecya kabiri nko kwareba first half yatambuka can it happen Shema scoring 2 goals against Bushenyi omurieze dakikeza asigarayo just scoring 2 against Bushenyi.
Well ampira ko basa utaba possible kugira nza kwa tureba goals zikivira hari 0 uko wano reba ho game balance mu first half na ikoreka ngo district neyenda kugura basika ni gabira anti bakureme afuna chance yeye utabasika na converting definitely kugira nza kwa tureba ho kare kitana anyway umupira buri kimwe kibasika we can see a goal but of course Shema cannot win 2-0 tikugamba kugira ngo am supporting any of the districts kokani kigamba kugira ngo okugira game balance twari first half ezako netwereza kandi almost similar second half on chances orada tukarebera set pieces nyi tukarebera corners kuba converted ninga shikore team nefuna penalty ninga shikore team nefuna maybe Africans basa kwa dangerous na mnonga omu area yamheru
akurigera abazani abo twizire ntoreba akatebe omumpakeze za Ankole Cup let's say Bushenyi menere kat focusing on yogo mzana is there any player who can make a difference akatebe kujangu kwa kwizamuka substitute akore difference omuryogo mzana
to expecting at least like a change and if kugira ngo possible ukasi gonna creating a difference most especially at district kandi ya Bushenyi akwa Bushenyi wano reba ho bench yabe ya bit better na mnonga kusinga ho district ya Shema because Shema washanga ngo musigazi kuranima ajya sikora atani kompira gwizoberi and of course bizani basikora bashambe bwire benyuma hawo twentureba kuranima arufutaka kandi na atanchira kateba today yasikora atanchira omuzano ukare chifuteka kugira ngo at least bench yabo maybe game balance yabo na game plan yabo yasikora hinduka mu but at the end of it all district kandi ya Bushenyi they can still contain this game turebe gumiza mukandi kwasikana gumaguti one that twasokore umuhanguzi kandi umuhanguzi kugira ngo nase kwangura just one goal and difference akwano reba ukatebeka team district ya Bushenyi umusigazi mutebwa Aran kandi tukareba umusigazi bari mukamwesiga Mark maybe bakati ho impira hinduka ninga umusigazi ka Amanya Kenneth na ngo tirona na Kamara Emmanuel tureba ho kandi district ya Bushenyi basikana batani kompira second half bala speak tureba umusigazi Job kasiri yasikana funa kurungi bunonga kasiri aba district kandi ya Shema izina Shema Okada yasimura mpira muringo na ronda Kabawuro Ismail asikona kufuna kurungi bunonga aba district ya Bushenyi izina Figo yagoriza Kabawuro Ismail Kabawuro crackback na ronda Okada chest control Okada no mpira Okada asimura mpira muringo na rondoha ay telefona jirango haro kuzana sitima Oscar yasamba kubi Oscar aba district ya Shema yasikona shamba kubi kandi neza kwa Africa aba district kandi ya Bushenyi aijuka bamushambira kubishana baten aijuka nasubira mpira muringo naona Saidi chest control from Bumbu narondoha Saidi once again asikona guyo Kakira is now Rubama Bushenyi bagufuna Mbumbu no mpira pass kura hansi nagufuna musigazo wataka Charles Bare pass haline narondoha Ronald Turia Singura Ronald mpira Ronald for Bushenyi Ronald Luis can say cross it was a boy cross musigazi Turia Singura Ronald shana bamushanja ba district kandi Bushenyi asikona guletera kimwe ebwe cross bakutanga kurungi munonga kwiza gwashanga Brian aba district Shema Serena mkwata mpora na jangu it is something inevitable tureba musigazi waketa Oscar Hagoreka Mansur goalkeeper asikona kwata kurungi munonga goalkeeper district ya Bushenyi mwetenka Hafiz Kasim nwagwine aba district ya Bushenyi nasibona mpira muringo is now Okada head Charles Mbumbu chest control Charles Bare in fact Charles Bare basi nikaliansu refana agira ngo utariho kizibu bit final yagira ati abo kusham city maneza kwa Africa district ya Bushenyi sigazi Charles district ya Bushenyi ari hansi refana agira ngo abo kuzana city makaneza kwa Africa district ya Bushenyi 0-0 Echweka necha kabiri district zombi zetaga mpira bitu Bushenyi ni betaga kabonero just omuzano kwasona qualifying category leaders ninga shabembire akimeza nabo kibyasigana kuko biri abashe nabaza kongera kwandi barumya abayayi no biromwe bakugira ngo biruma abayayi Bushenyi nibongera kwandi barumya mishugugu ninga shwengiri as they speak right now kuchiri 0-0 Shema and of course waiting for more direct crossing Charles Bare basi tabasoma kuyaho is now Kabawuro Ismail na heading Figo mwapile shot 6 sawa Bushenyi Figo na mpira pass na kuna Rubama pass na zona rondoha sila Mansur mwapile pora yato omwanya Ronald back heading ho kwasa mukisha Oscar na kusema ya tabu shana sana pira kuja throw in agwa Bushenyi throw in kwa Bushenyi kiro Shema zero Bushenyi abafamu yo mu district ya Shema side za Kachindo barikuriye muri abanyana bajya side za kuriye muri Kizoba abari side za kuriya muri ya Kasinga abari side za kuriye muri Kanyeganye abari hari muri Kabu hometown abari shaka Umbadra district Echwane tamara side za Kasharo kwe side za Bwizigwera Rubindi abanyana banje abakuri Ranya Mahembe Ochimo kwa necha manu kushanga masilota ya Rosto mkire kaka kambi Tuandira kwa tubasima tutile bugarikiro free kick for Shema Sigazi Oscar bamuchema kandi ya hansi refa nagira ngune free kick Sigazi Oscar shot number 8 aba district ya Shema baba sigama mutema free kick aba district kandi ya Shema Shema angonunji Mitezo Afrika murunji aine right tena kuteko mukatimba Abatira basigaza bari mukaba Demitel Payet Kashavero club zika West Ham National team y'Hungary ya France kafuna cups na mshanju bataratebere goro nemwe and of course abasigaza bari muka remember wiri wa David Beckham James Ward-Prowse free kick engage na kuteko mukatimba abasigaza bari muka sayira kuko Tumushika team ya Mbara City akore bintu kebyo Grandma na Rogers mugisha bakwemeririreho biba guteka nkayi Grandma Enyenya mara hemerembe goal kick for Bushenyi Sigazi Grandma shot 7 enyenya basikona mara hemerembe kan free kick rather than goal kick aba district kandi ya Bushenyi Guchiri 0 Shema 0 Bushenyi and of course Bushenyi bajirangu gusigana nkuri abasha bajirangu apana tufunemo at least a goal eragara masukitu let us wait and see goal kick Hafiz Kasim nasbono pira muringwa kurahana tumera homsigazi kasiriye vakti ya Faruk Throw in aba district ya Bushenyi batanga kwasanga batambuza hakire mpora strike cya kabiri Ronald Turia Singura Shabati Mweji ya Sigazi Ronald Turia Singura Shabati Mweji Karunji kuri mupakeza for big league shot 7 aba district ya Bushenyi Najirati bwenu kokwe Ndongera kwa nsima mwena batirema kasente banyarwanje ba Wonders Products sima tine bugarikiro Ekimukana cy'abana mwene bantu bari ative kiri kaka utakoresa products za Wonders icyo rukora timanya tindu kumanya icyo rukora nikiha bukuba Wonders bakunda every kind of corner sports omwankore kapa katika bakete kinje munonga bwenu tubahagire in return products yitu ziri akatare bakwenda sabuni zo kunaba bakwenda mashita agatuza kunyirizo mbiri mashita gisho cyo amashitigo mu cyo cyo mashita go kuosisho cyo Nas products zya katare kan donga tseningo boxi no haro goalkeeper skora ga line of kan Andrea kufuna kurunji mnoga goalkeeper timeje ya Shema goalkeeper Andrea usmana kutaka kura hansi wasangu msigaza kutaka Faruku ya pass ngopira line Rogers Rogers once again Rogers pass line arunda Grandma nasmana kufuna kurunji mnoga Grandma for Shema through pass skora kwa badi is now Lucas Mugisha throw pass one Pamba Nyabo Mansul that will find a Heru. It's going to be a corner kick for Shema. Corner for Shema, of course, at this very juncture. 0 Shema, 0 Bushenyi. Can it be still the same moment? Paulo Mwijuka. Team manager wa district ya Shema Najirati. Tinka bichengaga. Ntore crossing box mitwe. Yes, wanagwiha yo figo. Washa Ngoha, Charles Bare for Bushenyi. Charles Bare, one of those creative midfielders. Charles Bare, throw pass ningwa na rondo asaida ngumada kufuna nigata kufuna. Tia kufuna goalkeeper. Jajati mugureke kandi mbase kwa ninye funera ebirabo nkebi goalkeeper Andrea Osmana kutaka kura hansi. Kwashaka Kakira no mpira Fatime Jeje ya Shema. Throw pass ningwa. Shema at least trying to transit this game. Shema ziko bahindura mu mpora bazangu transition ya game nita kufana hindu kumkire kaka. Tule cross ningwa Kakira. Mbakufuna district stage kandi ya Bushenyi baguyayo biza kwa Shangoha Sigazi Kawolo Ismail no mpira Kenneth Oscar. Here comes Figo no mpira Figo for Bushenyi Figo no mpira through pass na rondoha na ndo msikozo nka Mbumbu no mpira pass kula hansi Charles Bare what going no mpira kula hansi bagwa sababu muyaho Okada mpira gumuyaho kandi aronda Rogers Mugisha through pass kushanga Kranma no mpira Kranma for Rogers final msa kumire Grandma Yamakumira is going to be a free kick for Bushenyi.
Of course, www.tayarnews.com wasakwa not following wasakwa no elebera live ambisa Tayar West TV. Zachiwanzi chite cha internet www.tayarnews.com za DSTV channel bishatukaga namkaga sa Star Times channel binakaga namnana niga shifira shatunitano antenna hawena ngwa na Adish then za channel 077 that is Zuku za channel Bishat at namkaga that is Azam wasakwa no following impaka ezimpa isa Angurika. Now Kizito run Figo Sana pura na kaoro isma tera pasi nujumnonga mbumbu misamba ronda Jacob Chase number 20 Jacob bagara kamba muya umpira now chase number 2 crossing umpira pora na Bushenyi again chase number 10 basakwa no mwita Ajuka Arod now Shema crossing umpira pora no midfield garikamba teka umutwe now chase number 27 Junior now Mansour Agaraka Baronda Kaoro Isma, Neck FC football player Kaoro Isma, crossing on Pora. Zagronda, Charles Barley, former soccer club Vira football player, Charles Barley, Sharamun Sane, Charles Barley, crossing on Pora, say La Ligmao, take out Mutwe, now Jacob. Piano Gizan Saino Bajangun goal kick near district Jipaya, Shema Baturka goalkeeper, second Andrew, former Entebbe UPPC, a football goalkeeper. Chichanguni kona kick in the district ya Usheni Batur catches the number 20 Jacob. After the number 20 Kamwiska Jacob. Saktureta mkona kick baba tulicho mzano murunju paho aho ATV. Mkono kumanyanga Charles Barley. Just number 14 Police FC football player. Of course Targopina pura Bajangu throw in Asil Jacob. Terechiraka Hanuya. Sigas baka Terechiraka. Mkono kumanyanka Chasen 6 Kakiri Davis. Sigas baka Terechiraka Kakiri Davis. Of course, Piano Gokshamba Turika Kauru Isma Chasen number 15. Akarikamba kwa tamukache Jacob Batijirangu Haro goal kick. Head district Jimpa Eya Shema Chirika goalkeeper second Andrew. Of course teams za kwa Tiri Nyamwinji, teams za Maita, teams za Busoga United, teams za Entebbe UPPC Ninga Shikadafi. Second Andrew experienced goalkeeper mpakeza Uganda Star Times za Premier League. Tariko pira pora Talia Ryan Kronda Kasije Watwa Agarika Bakwata pura